Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is How Nadi Cooks. I make quick and easy cooking videos. Please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So today we're going to be making some peppered beef. Yes, some peppered beef. And here are the list of the ingredients you need. First, chop one of the onions, and this will be used to season the beef. To a clean pot, throw in the beef, add the chopped onions, a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, rosemary powder, thyme, curry, seasoning cubes, salt, bay leaves, and habanero pepper. Give it a good stir. Cover and allow to cook in its own juice for about 7 minutes. To another pot, throw in your chopped tomatoes or tomato puree and allow to cook down till all the water dries up. Using a food processor, throw in the chopped onions, 2 habanero pepper, blend and set aside. Check up on the boiling tomatoes so that it doesn't dry out. Check the beef. Give it a good stir. Top up the water. Cover and allow to cook for another 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the beef is properly cooked. Separate it from the stock. Sieve the stock and save for later use in your freezer. To another clean pot, pour in some vegetable oil which will be used to fry the beef. Heat it up and throw in your beef. Fry until the beef is golden brown. Then set aside. Decant the oil you used in frying the beef and pour some of it into a fresh pan. Heat it up and throw in some onions. Allow to sizzle for about 2 minutes, then throw in your boiled tomatoes. Allow the tomatoes to fry in this oil for about 5 minutes. Throw in the other parts of your seasoning, some curry, thyme, stock cubes, some salt, the blended onion and habanero pepper mix. Give it a good stir and allow to fry for about 5 minutes. You need to perceive this aroma. This smells so, so good. Throw in your fried beef and stir it until every single beef is covered completely in this sauce. Oh, this smells so yummy and appetizing. I have some coleslaw already prepared in the fridge. I just threw in some mayonnaise, gave it a good stir, and of course served. Tasted so good, like so good. Let me know if you'll be giving this a try, and please leave me a comment when you do. If you totally enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.